recipe, we are going to make paella or paella. Okay, so we've got some chicken thighs, probably won't need both packets. Some prawns, if you don't like shellfish, you don't have to put them in. Chorizo, pancetta, frozen peas and sweetcorn, a bit of parsley, onions, tomatoes, a pepper. We got paprika, thyme, oh that's a bit close, chicken stock cube, olives, rice, pepper, a jug for your stock, olive oil to cook in, and a couple of pans. So first things first, I need to prepare the onions, tomatoes, peppers and garlic. I'm not used to all this chopping like. Right, we'll crack on then. First thing we need to do is take these chicken thigh fillets, pop them in there, brown them off right quick. So I'm just going to add some olive oil into there. That should be enough. Just let that get warm a bit. It's so hard doing this with my left hand. Just leave that for a bit, then we'll add them in. Right, so thighs in. All we want to do with these is just brown them off. You don't really want to cook them too much. Okay, so just want to get some of that flavour in. Got left hand all over the place as well. Okay, once they're browned off, you can either put them in like a casserole pot, or you can just put them to one side if you want to do it in pan. I'm going to use a casserole pot just because it's a little bit easier, but you don't have to, you can just do them all in one pan. They're starting to brown off pretty nicely, as you can probably see. And they're sizzling away quite a bit. Just going to pop them to one side. We'd normally put them in pan, or just leave them in pan and just get another one, but because I'm using a casserole dish, we'll just pop them to one side. Right, next we've got pancetta and chorizo. So we're both just going to add them into the pan and sizzle off a bit till they get nice and crisp. A lot of pork, isn't it? Oh. You don't need too much oil in pans, obviously there's quite a bit of fat on them. We're going to let them sizzle off, then we're going to add there's garlic and onion in there. Okay, and I need to add in the peppers out of that bunch. And then the rice. Okay, so cook these off until they go nice and crisp. Add your garlic and your onions in. You need to add your spices in at that point as well, so your paprika and your thyme. Don't put your stock cube in just yet, you don't need that. Alright, but get these nice and crisp, and then I'll pop them in, and then I'll show you what it looks like. Right, they're sizzling along nicely, which means it's time to put that in. In we go. I'll get all that out in a second. Give that a stir. And I also need the peppers off of here to pop these down. So we've got those peppers, onions, garlic in there. You just want to heat them up until like the peppers soften really. Then you're going to put a teaspoon of paprika and a couple of pinches worth of thyme in there. Okay, we just need these to soften up. So can't video this without getting it everywhere. So we've got paprika. A little bit of that everywhere. We'll probably go about half a teaspoon of this. I should really use a teaspoon, but whatever. A bit more of that. And then we just need to add the rice and get it all coated. You know, that loveliness. Right. All the rice is coated in all the oil and spices and everything else. Now all we need to do, add the tomatoes, peas and sweet corn. Can't really see the sweet corn. Let it cook for about another 10 minutes and then pop it all over here with the chicken, they do not look as good as what they did before, along with the stock. So it's all in there. You got your chicken thighs, your pancetta, your chorizo, peas, sweetcorn, garlic, onions, peppers, tomatoes, paprika, thyme. You can put a bit of chilli in it if you want. I'm just going to season it with a bit more salt and pepper. Now we're going to pop it in the oven at about, what's that, 180. Probably leave it in there for about 30 minutes, 30 to 45. Just take it out every 15 minutes and have a look at it. Alright, it's just the prawns finished with. Normally I just cook the prawns at the end and stir them in, because prawns don't really take that long to cook and not everyone likes them. But that's it, almost. Last but not least, we've got the prawns. Okay, I've cut up a bit of parsley, just put in at the end, and some black olives. These cook dead quick, alright, so just put them in just as your rest of your paella is coming out, and then we'll have a look at the finished product in a minute. That is the prawns done. Still got 3 minutes left. I'll just turn them off. Stir them in at the end, along with those, and just a little bit of that to garnish last. And that's it, plated up. You got your prawns, chicken thighs, olives, a bit of parsley to finish off. That's an absolutely massive portion because I made enough for about 3 people, so after sharing it out with one other person, I'm off with that. So I'm going to see you later and polish it off.
Okay, so there we go, another meal from Phil, another fabulous recipe. So this one, paella, so we moved on to more of an evening meal. So a bit more preparation involved, you'd expect that for an evening meal, and it looked fabulous by the end. He asked me to put in this picture of the final product, because he reckoned it didn't look appetising, but I thought it looked great. But here's the final product, and let's have a chat about the macros. So the macros I'll put here now. So the macros you see there are for the full meal, so that's for the whole thing. So you're talking like 2,000 calories. So he did mention in the video that it would serve 3 to 4 people. Well, we did chat about it afterwards, and he said, I think it should serve 4, to be honest. You definitely get 4 portions out of that. So you're looking around 500 calories per portion. In terms of the protein, you're looking at about 40 grams per portion, and the carbs is around 30. So yeah, a decent evening meal there. And a decent amount of protein, to be fair. So one thing he did let slip that I wasn't going to tell you is that he managed to polish off 2 portions last night of that dish. So yeah, but we all know Phil's got a great appetite. So that's it for today. Another great recipe, and what's coming up. So obviously next video is going to be from me. Got a couple coming up. I've got a recipe coming up, just something dead simple, protein pancakes, really simple, just a few ingredients and something you can chuck together if you're sick of like cereal for breakfast, if you're sick of eggs and if you're sick of porridge, something a bit different and still getting that protein hit in the morning. I've also got a full body workout coming up, this time all body parts worked and no equipment required. So you don't need dumbbells and you don't need a band. Basically you need a chair, I think, and a broom handle. So it's pretty simple. So watch out for that. But again, guys, thank you for watching. If you've got to this point, thanks for watching the whole thing. And remember to subscribe, and please try and share it out with your friends. We're getting more. We're over that 100 mark now. I think last time I looked 103, so we're creeping above. So we're going to be doing our Instagram live soon with the Q&A. But yeah, keep sharing the videos, guys, and keep commenting, because the more comments we have on the videos, the more YouTube sees it as relevant, so then they'll put it up the ratings. So we look loads of comments, loads of likes, and make YouTube think that we're really good. That's what we want. Okay, that's it for today, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks again.